Best 5-star refrigerator. Number 5. LG 190 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 17,590 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Capacity 190 liters. Suitable for families with 2 to 3 members. Energy rating 5 star. Best in class efficiency. Smart inverter compressor. Spill proof toughed glass. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 4. LG 190 liter 5-star direct cool smart inverter single door refrigerator. Approx price 17,990 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Economical and stylish. Capacity 190 liters. Suitable for families with 2 and 3 members. Freezer capacity 22.5 liter. Fresh food capacity 167.5 liter. Energy rating 5 star. Best in class efficiency. Smart inverter compressor. Toughed glass with frame. Stabilizer free operation. 90 to 310 voltage. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 3. Godrej 190 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 16,990 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Capacity 190 liters. Suitable for a medium-sized family. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 104 kWh. Toughed glass shelves of 150 kg load-bearing capacity. Largest vegetable tray 20 liter. 2.25 liter aqua space. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 2. Whirlpool 215 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 19 liter 490 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator with modern curved design. IntelliSense inverter technology. Insulated capillary technology. Up to 7 days of garden freshness with honeycomb lock. Spill proof toughed glass. Number 1. Samsung 198 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 17,390 rupees. Direct cool refrigerator. Capacity 198 liters. Suitable for families with 2 and 3 members. Energy rating 5 star. High energy efficiency. Digital inverter compressor. Spill proof toughed glass. Voltage range 100 to 300 voltage. Stabilizer free operation. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.